You read the title, so you know what it is. Let's get into it.
Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat.
Alright guys, so I wasn't planning on making a video on this, but here I am. So basically I took my muffler off the Mazda. If any of you all know Brian Lewis Vlog, I filmed a Catless Midpipe install on his channel. I can put a link down in the description. Ever since then it did get louder with the Catless Midpipe, but it hasn't been loud enough. But now I think with the muffler off it is a little too loud. Obviously, it's going to be a little hard to pick up all the sound on a cell phone camera, or any camera for that matter, especially through YouTube audio and all that. But make sure to put a comment down down below and let me know what y'all think. Is it too loud? I mean, do you think it's too loud? Kind of hard to say without hearing it in person. Should I do a custom exhaust? I thought about doing a couple resonators and exhaust tips. I don't know yet. I'm kind of undecided, so just leave me a comment down below. Let me know.